Long time no see. I'm going to do another unboxing video. This is new, the OXBAR Rocky Vapor MAGLINK starter kit. So the starter kit comes with the battery and a pod. After you get the starter kit, you'll have your battery, and then you can just buy the pods separately. So I went with kiwi lemon, bit of a different flavor than what we're usually used to. So let's crack her open and see what we're dealing with. Now this is a 90,000 puff disposable. It's got two modes, Eco and Boost, adjustable airflow, and a 1500 mAh battery. Inside the box you have your battery and your pod, and that is all. Let's open it up here. Oh, it smells nice. I'm gonna remove this somehow. Oops. And this comes off, it's just magnet on there, magnetized. So, put that in the garbage. Pull this plug. So here we have your pod. It's magnets onto the other one. And here is your battery. So keep this. Do not throw this one away. Put it back together here. So here's your different modes. There's a button on the side here. You just press that. There's your different modes. It's got your juice level and your battery level. Ooh, that is good. Let's try it on the boost mode. That is some good flavor. Come on to Vaping the Way. Any of our locations, pick yourself up the MAGLINK starter kit. This is, I think my new favorite thing. All right, thanks for watching.